Strong's Westview this year?
A lot stronger than we are.
You already written Friday night down as a loss, bro?
Well, not if I knew we could beat them.
Come here, Brock. You too, Jeremy.
What, am I in trouble now?
Not yet. I want to see you do the death crawl again, except I want to see your absolute best.
What, you want me to go to the 30?
I think you go to 50.
50. I can go to 50 if nobody's on my back.
I think you do it with Jeremy on your back. But even if you can, I want you to promise me you're going to do your best.
All right.
Your best.
Okay.
You going to give me your best?
I'm going to give you my best.
All right, one more thing. I want you to do a blindfold.
Why?
Because I want you to give him up at a certain point when you can go further. Get down. Jeremy, get on his back. I did a good tight hold, Jeremy. All right. Let's go, Brock. Keep your knees off the ground, just your hands and feet. There you go. A little bit left. A little bit left. There you go. Show me good effort. That way, Brock. Keep coming. There you go. It's a good start. A little bit left. A little bit left. There you go, Brock. Good strength. That's it, Brock. That's it.
Not even 20 yet?
Forget the 20. You give me your best. You keep going. That's it. No, don't stop, Brock. You got more in you than that.
I ain't done. Just resting a second.
You gotta keep moving. Let's keep moving. Let's go. Don't quit till you got nothing left. There you go. Keep moving. Keep moving. Keep moving, Brock. That's it. You keep driving. Keep your knees off the ground. Keep driving. Your very best. Your very best. Your very best. Keep moving, Brock. That's it. That's it. That's it. Keep going. Don't quit on me. Keep going. Keep driving. Keep your knees off the ground. That's it. Your very best. Don't quit on me. Your very best. Keep driving. Keep driving. There you go. There you go. Keep driving. Keep your knees off the ground. Keep driving. Don't quit till you got nothing left. Keep moving, Brock. That's it. That's it. That's it. Keep going. I want everything you got. Come on, keep going. It hurts. Don't quit on me. Your very best. Keep driving. Keep driving. There you go. There you go.
He's heavy.
I know he's heavy.
I got strength.
And you negotiate with your buddy to find more strength, but don't you give up on me, Brock. You keep going, you hear me? You keep going, you're doing good. You keep going. Do not quit on me. You keep going.
It hurt.
I know it hurts. You keep going. You keep going. It's all hard from here. 30 more steps. You keep going, Brock. Come on. Keep going.
Burn.
And let it burn.
It's a burn.
It's all hard. You keep going, Brock. Come on. Come on. Keep going. You promised me your best. Your best. Don't stop. Keep going.
Too hard.
It's not too hard. You keep going. Come on, Brock. Give me more. Give me more. Keep going. 20 more steps. 20 more. Keep going, Brock. Give me your best. Don't quit. No. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Don't quit. Don't quit. Don't quit. Brock Kelly, you don't quit. Keep going. Keep going. Go, Brock Kelly. You don't quit on me. No, you keep going. You keep going. Go, Brock. 10 more steps. 10 more. 10 more. 10 more. Keep going. Don't quit. Give me yours. You can. You can. 5 more. 5 more. Come on, Brock. Come on. Don't quit. Don't quit. Come on, Brock. 2 more. 1 more. Look at Brock. You're in the end zone.
My God.
Brock, you are the most influential player on this team. If you walk around defeated, so will they. Don't tell me you can't give me more than what I've been seeing. You just carried a 140-pound man across this whole field in your arms. Brock, I need you. God's gifted you with the ability of leadership. Don't waste it. Coach, can I count on you? Yes.
Coach?
What is it, Jeremy?
I order 160.
Wow. Wow. That's my favorite part. All right, rise to your feet, guys. Rise to your feet because we're going to get ready to wrap up.
Oh, I thought you were going to make us
No. Don't worry. Just rise to your feet. You've been sitting for a while because we're getting ready to close out. I wanted to share that with you because some of you are carrying what feels like 160 pounds of obstacles and challenges on your shoulders, on your back, and you're trying to move forward, and it's hard. And it is. It's going to be difficult. I'm not going to sit here and tell you that it's going to be easy. Leadership is difficult. But what I promise you is that as long as you keep growing, as long as you keep going, as long as you keep looking up and beyond to that vision, it's going to pull you forward. It's going to make it a little easier. It's going to make it worthwhile. But you have to believe in yourself. And if you do not believe in yourself, you have to stay around people who will believe in you for you.
Yeah.
There was a time in my life I didn't believe in myself. I sat in the back of the room, quiet as a mouse, because I'm an introvert. I don't like being on the spot. I don't, naturally. I like to be behind the scenes. But you know what? Sometimes your vision will be bigger than you, your purpose will be bigger than you, and you will do some things that you're uncomfortable doing. But it'll be worth it. Every single person here is capable. What I need you to do every day is I need you to affirm yourself. I need you to speak in the direction in which you're going, towards your vision. So we're going to affirm ourselves, and then I'm going to give the mic over to Jason. Let's give Jason and the team a round of applause. Seriously. I sincerely believe that you guys are so fortunate to be here at Hostos College, to be able to experience the trainings and the information that you have here. It's going to set you up and position you to do really great things in life. But it's not enough to know it. You have to apply it. Okay, so we're going to affirm that we're going to apply all the things that you learned this week. You're going to open that business. I believe that in you. You're going to make a difference in this country, and it's going to transfer all the way to Africa, to your country. Yes. Yes. You're going to be that RN. Yes. You're going to be that RN. And whatever it is that you're endeavoring to do, you're pursuing to do, I need you to say these words after me. I need you to say them like you mean them. I am a conqueror.
I am a conqueror.
I can do it.
I can do it.
I'm going to keep moving forward.
I'm going to keep moving forward.
No obstacle.
No obstacles.
No setback.
No setbacks.
No disappointment.
No disappointment.
No barrier.
No barrier.
Nothing
Nothing
will stop me.
will stop me.
I'm going to keep growing.
I'm going to keep growing.
I'm going to keep going.
I'm going to keep going.
I'm going to keep looking up
I'm going to keep looking up
and beyond
and beyond
to my vision.
to my vision.
Because I'm worth it.
Because I'm worth it.
I celebrate me.
I celebrate you.
I believe in others.
I believe in others.
I bring out the best in others.
I believe in others.
I am kind.
I am kind.
I am compassionate.
I am compassionate.
I am a problem solver.
I am a problem solver.
I am changing lives.
I am changing
And
lives.
I am unstoppable.
And I am unstoppable.
Give yourselves a round of applause. So good.
So, I think that when we put together the program last year, I was introduced to Jessica for the first time, and we really didn't know each other. And we had already put together the program, and I couldn't bring her for the winter workshops last year, but I said we'll bring you in the spring, and we got her in the spring last year. And so I wanted to make sure that this year when we put together the winter workshops, that I was going to make sure that Jessica was going to be here. And after hearing your affirmation, I've been running around back and forth up and down. You know, this next workshop's the most exhausting thing of the entire week. But after hearing your affirmation at the end, I'm pretty excited about the fact that Jessica was the one who sort of closed out this session. And Bert and Gio and Brian and a lot of the others. She's available in social media. She does interact with the students that she gets involved with. She does keep in touch with you. She does have a lot of ideas. She does share. So she's a great sort of we call it a tangential mentor, right? She's not going to be there every 15 minutes, but she's there and she's accessible. So I look forward to having you guys connect with her. And now we have to do all sorts of weird stuff here to get ready for Geraldine. But the room is set. And who's talking? Who? Julian? Julian is going to talk. But you guys can sit down. You guys can have a seat. I have a mic. Julian put on his hat in a special way.
Hi guys, can you give another round of applause for Jessica, please? Alright, so up next we have Geraldine Francis. She is a etiquette instructor trained by Polished and Etiquette. She will be consulting on contemporary manners